It was right 2 minutes ago. It could be Steve.
I'm gonna go with Liam. I mean, no, Franny.
What?
Franny's really good at the Franny just.
I say Franny.
I think it's
Wait a minute.
Denisha.
No, but yeah.
Yeah.
I'm only going for Denisha.
I'm going with Liam because I mean Franny.
I would say Franny.
Stop confusing me and
Why are you
Liam.
going with?
I forget. There was a story. It was something she did, but it's definitely Franny.
I sat.
I vote Denisha.
Franny. Franny.
Oh shit.
Steve says Franny.
I vote Franny.
Yeah, that's
Franny.
I go for fucking wild
Franny.
card.
Franny.
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 I vote for Franny.
Franny. Franny.
Franny.
Franny.
Franny?
Franny.
No, pretty sure it's Denisha. It was
Oh,
Denisha.
I'm not drinking.
Oh, drinking.
I'm not drinking.
You gotta
You
drink.
have to. Because you couldn't convince us.
This is Franny drinking for those on the video camera. This is
It's gonna
Franny
be
drinking.
Julia and Dan.
And the whole world. Who will see this? The whole
I miss
world.
you, Colin.
You don't even have a YouTube account.
Fuck you.
I do too have a YouTube account.
Liar. What? This is really